Good morning, class. We are in Lesson 12 in our Reader's Notebook, and we're working today on pages 171 and 172. We're going to talk today about figurative language and vowel, consonant, vowel patterns. Remember, when we talk about figurative language, it is language or phrases that say one thing but have a meaning that is not. And one of the things we talked about last time was like the phrase, it's raining cats and dogs. And when you hear it's raining cats and dogs, we know that they're not actual cats and dogs falling from the sky. It means that it's raining heavily. So today, our figurative language piece, we have an underlined piece of text that is the figurative language, and it says read each sentence. Circle the context clues that help you understand the underlying expression. So what we're doing is we're looking for the clues within the sentence that help us understand what that figurative language means. And then we're going to relight the underlined expression in our own words. Number 1 reads, "The king's face was like a thundercloud when he heard the news. He frowned at the messenger and slammed the door." Well, the king's face was like a thundercloud. We know that his face isn't literally a thundercloud, right? But we can look within that next sentence, and it says he frowned at the messenger and slammed the door. Well, we can say that frowning, right? If he's frowning, we can tell how he's most likely feeling. And then he slams that door, and that gives us a good information about how he is feeling or his state of being. And when somebody frowns and slams a door, that can tell us that that person's probably mad or angry. And so we can say the king's face was angry. And you're just going to continue on with 2 through 8, and you're going to look at the sentences to help you understand what the meaning of the underlined figurative language is, and then write on the line your interpretation of that figurative language. And you can go ahead and pause the video here and complete 2 through 8 on your own, and hit play when you're ready to go again. Okay, today for our second page we have vowel, consonant, vowel patterns, and what you're doing here is you're writing the basic word that best completes each analogy. And remember from previous lessons that an analogy is a comparison between two things. Sometimes they are two things that are similar, a comparison of the similarities, and sometimes they can be opposites. So let's go ahead and jump right in. It says, number 1 says, fire department is to fire as blank department is to crime. Well, a fire department deals with fire. Okay, as what kind of department deals with crime? So we're going to go over to our basic words, and we're going to scroll down our basic words, and we can see that police are who deal with crime. So police department, and you're going to write the word police on the line. Police, police. Number 2, job is to task as prize is to blank. Well, a job is a task, something to complete, and a prize is a what? So you're going to go down and you're going to figure out, what is a prize? Well, a prize is an award. AWARD. So you have to think clearly about what is the relationship between the first two words, and then the relationship between the second given or the third given word and the word in the spelling list has to be the same. So noise is to quiet, so noise and quiet are opposites. Noise is to quiet as calm is to, what's the opposite then of calm? We're going to go down through our list of words and figure out what is the opposite of calm. And I would say number 12 is going to be panic. 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 So establishing first the relationship between the first two words in a sentence, and then using that same relationship between this third word and one of the words in your basic list. Please make sure you complete 4 through 12. You may put an X through 13 through 15. When you finish this, make sure you take a picture of your work, attach it to your assignment, upload it in Teams, and turn it in. Thank you.